Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter number 10 because that is taken in your unit test. Your unit test will be on 2nd and 3rd of March. So I am going to complete this chapter first of all. Now chapter 10 is circle. First of all, today we see some terms that is related to circle. First we define the circle. What is circle? Circle is actually the collection of points in a plane from fixed point. This is fixed point and all these points, that is the collection of the points that is at the equal distance from the fixed point, that is called circle. So how to define the circle? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at the fixed distance from fixed point in the plane is called the circle. Now center of the circle, this fixed point, suppose we call it P. So here the fixed point of the circle, that is called center of the circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the distance from this fixed point to any point, suppose we take this point or this point, that is called the radius of the circle. Now the distance between the center and any point of the circle, that is called radius. We can measure it. And another definition you can give: the line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Now then we will talk about the chord. Now what is chord? Actually the chord is one of the line segments having two end points on the circle. Suppose these two end points P and Q. So this is also chord, this is also chord, this is also chord, this is also chord. So all these are chords. In short, we can say the line segment having two end points lie on the circle is called the chord of the circle. Then diameter. Now diameter actually is the longest chord, the chord which is passing through the center of the circle. So you can define in this way also. Suppose this is the circle, this is the center, this is also diameter, this is also diameter, this is also diameter, this is also the diameter. All these are diameters. So how to define? It is one of the longest chord of the circle. The chord which is passing through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. Then circumference of the circle. Suppose this is a circle. So total length of the circle, पूरा यहाँ से suppose start किया. So this measure is called circumference of the circle. The length of the complete circle is called circumference of the circle. Now then the next topic, that is the partition of the circle by plane. Now this is suppose the plane and this is the circle inside it. So this part which is inside the circle, that is called interior, and outside that is called exterior, and the points lie on the circle, that is circle itself. So here the partition of circle by plane, here the interior of the circle, this is exterior of the circle, and the points lie on the circle, that is itself the circle. So in short we can say that the partition of the plane by circle means the plane is divided into three parts: exterior of the circle, interior of the circle, and circle itself. So this plane is divided into three parts. Okay, so today you have to remember all these definitions First one, define circle, center of circle, radius, diameter, chord, circumference, partition of the plane by circle. So today you have to complete all these definitions. Okay.